Admit it, you have thought about going smart just to ease up life a bit, because who wouldn't want to? If juggling home, family, and school have become an arduous task, then why not make life easier? If Home Assistant has become your choice in easing out everyday tasks, then we are here to give you the very best prep-ups so you can easily get started. Let's see what today's video has in store for us. Home Assistant is an open-source home automation platform built to run on Raspberry Pi. Though it is very much still in its early development, several updates have been made to ensure that the platform is beginner-friendly. Home Assistant runs on the Home Assistant operating system and is designed to be the central control system for smart home devices with a focus on local control and privacy. To guide beginners to get started with Home Assistant, let's look at some of the platform's features. The general features of a Home Assistant include the hardware. In September 2021, developers at Nabu Casa announced a crowdfunding campaign on crowd supply for the pre-order of Home Assistant Yellow, a new official home automation controller hardware platform with Home Assistant pre-installed. Hardware platforms such as Android N2 Plus and Raspberry Pi 34 single-board computers can be installed and supported on the Home Assistant hardware. Then again, Home Assistant also features a dashboard, which offers cards that display information and control devices. These cards can also be integrated manually using the Home Assistant Community Store. Subsequently, Home Assistant acts as a central smart home controller hub by bringing together different devices and services in a single place and integrating them as entities. These enable automation, alarm management, etc. The general features of Home Assistant are responsible for some of its numerous benefits, which we will discuss soon. To get started with Home Assistant, there are a few steps that you will require for setup. Home Assistant, as we had indicated earlier, is built on Raspberry Pi, a single-board computer which is great for running your home automation. It is small, affordable, and uses a relatively smaller amount of power. Raspberry Pi has been used in a wide array of digital maker projects and is typically used by computer and electronic hobbyists due to its adoption of HDLM and USB devices. For beginners, it is advisable to use the Pi 4 Model D version, which can be purchased in virtually any electronics store. Afterward, you will need a micro SD card to read on your desktop PC or laptop. Usually, a 32GB micro SD card should work just fine. Install Balena Etcher and download the latest Home Assistant image from there. Make sure that the image you are selecting corresponds with the Pi model you are using. You can then insert the micro SD card into your computer and use Balena Etcher to flash the Home Assistant image to your card. If you are having difficulties flashing the image to your card, then these steps might be useful. Number 1. Click on Select Image and choose the file you downloaded from File Home Assistant website. Number 2. Make sure the correct micro SD card is selected by clicking on Change. If you have just one inserted into your computer, only one possibility should appear. Number 3. Click on the flash and wait for your image to be flashed on the card. Because Home Assistant is set up to be a headless system, there is no need to connect a monitor or keyboard to your Raspberry Pi. Once the image has been successfully burned to the micro SD card, eject and insert it into the unconnected Raspberry Pi and connect it to the Ethernet as well as the power cable. When you have successfully gained access to your Home Assistant, you can begin to add your devices using the UI. All is set and done now. Most times, some devices will already have been added. With that completed, you can manually control your devices from the UI. Some other features that are specific to Home Assistant versions include automation debugging, where you can click on the various interactive nodes to find out what the automation was doing at a specific point in time. The 2021.3 version also allows Home Assistant documentation, forums, chats, web blogs, and other websites linked directly to specific pages in your Home Assistant instance, all without knowing the URL of your instance. The 2021.8 version focused mainly on energy management and long-term statistics. The Energy Dashboard allows Home Assistant users to quickly and simply set up a dashboard that provides you with information about your energy distribution. Individual devices can also be tracked where a time scale of the energy consumption of these devices can easily be viewed. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button as we proceed to tell you some of the things you will enjoy on the platform after setup. What are some of the benefits of Home Assistants? Or more specifically, why do you need a Home Assistant? The first reason is that you are offered as much convenience as possible. After settling in bed, who really wants to get up to check if all doors have been locked? And if you are already running late for work in the morning, you could use some help with preparing your early morning coffee. Subsequently, chores are made easier for you and your family. You can then have a stronger work and life balance.
I need to get my life together.
As a beginner, this is basically what you should know about the decision you just took, however. If you have some doubts, check out our video on why you should not build smart home on Home Assistant just so you can fairly make your deductions. You will absolutely not regret it. Thanks for spending time with us. We look forward to coming your way again.